I do think we started off growing and nurturing beautiful things. I do think that's what humans were made to do. It's not about having acres, it's about having beautiful pots by the door that you're seeing all the time, and having something that you wake up and look at every day and something that makes you smile. It's about creating a ballet with all these different textures, shapes, but most importantly colour. It is like doing, for me, a beautiful oil painting, but with things that are growing and that I'm nurturing. There's no point growing anything that you look at and go, I really hate that. We haven't got time to do that. So that's why we're going to put the time in now to designing the pots on paper. It's just about trying to get you totally engaged with the colours that really make you feel alive. It's really worth looking at the different varieties of tulips to make sure you're buying bulbs that flower more in succession of one another than all in one go. Let's go shopping. The main thing to look for when you're buying pots is to make sure they've got drainage holes. I'm going to show you how to do a bulb lasagna, which actually is a Dutch technique, which for a small garden allows you to really pack in hundreds of bulbs. They're going to create this amazing bubbling carnival out of this cauldron-like setting. It's like a flock of parrots have landed and they're all chatting to one another within a jungle-like scenario. Follow that stem right down into the body of the plant and go for where the pair of leaves are, and that's going to tell the plant that it needs to send up more flower buds. I'm going to show you how I do a sweet pea wigwam to create structure. What this mixture illustrates really beautifully is the canopy effect of having different heights of flowers. It's going to bring in bees and butterflies and birds to create the new nature reserve. It's the new habitat and the new place of therapy. We all need these gardens. The world needs these gardens. Learn to create a flamboyant garden all in pots with me, Arthur Parkinson.